standing in front of Shri Dukh Nivaran Sahib Gurdwara Patiala. This is the main entrance from Baradari side. There is a lot of rush today. Probably it is a Saturday and a lot of devotees are there. This side the road is coming from the bus stand, and this side the road goes to Thapad University, and there are a lot of shops here. This is the shops just in front of the Gurdwara Sahib. I have come from this road from the side of Gurdwara Dukh Nivaran Sahib, and straight ahead is Thapad University, this side, and this road like this goes to Bhupendra Market. It is known as Bhupendra Road, and this road to the right is bifurcating to Nabha at this point. Well, I am on opposite Gurdwara Shri Dukh Nivaran Sahib on my return journey. A lot of devotees are there, and I have come from this side from Thapad turning, which is about 2 kilometers, and I came like this, and this side the road goes to bus stand. This is the view of the shops in front. Very active area, and a lot of devotees and a lot of shopping is available for the comfort of the devotees. So this is the view all around. This is the historic Sherawala Gate, and straight ahead is the erstwhile office of the State Bank of Patiala. This road goes to Sherawala Gate, and on the right the road goes to Howara Chowk. This is the view all around. This is another building which is very nicely done up. Name of this place, I'll try to zoom on. It is bang on the Upper Mall Road, beautifully done up. I hope you can make out the various colors in which the building has been decorated. This is the view of the Upper Mall Road. The traffic on the other side. And that side about 200 meters.